Hey everyone, my name's Olivia and I'm one of the BMW geniuses here at BMW Northwest. And today I'm going to be showing you a few things about wireless charging. So let's go ahead and jump on in and get started. Now that we're in the vehicle, your wireless charging tray is located in front of the cup holders. Please ensure that you have an iPhone 8 or newer and that your iPhone case isn't too thick or has any type of magnetic attachments, for these can cause an interference when trying to utilize the wireless charging tray. When doing so, place your iPhone on the wireless charging tray face up. Make sure you see the blue indicator light come on, as well as the lightning bolt will display on the iDrive screen, indicating it is successfully charging. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment below or call us at 253-922-8700. Ask for the geniuses. I'm like, I don't know what I was looking at down there. Just look right at that guy. God, I forgot. I drew a blank after what I was going to say afterwards, Casey. That we're in the now, okay. Like, why? Okay, I know this. I've said this like 1,000 times now. This charging tray is located in front of the cup holders. And then I draw a blank and I can't remember my next part.